first pattern I'm going to be doing is the checkerboard. And how to do that is, well, you have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you take the red side, get it facing you, and have the white on the top. You turn it up twice, then you turn it up twice. Turn to the green, turn it twice, turn it twice. Then you have to spin the top twice, then you spin the bottom twice. Then you turn it back to red, and you can display it off, and it's really cool. Okay, so how to get this back? You basically do the exact same thing. And you can pretty much do this from any side, but see, what? Hang on. I'm gonna start blue. There. But you have to make sure you do all those steps. So you don't mess up. So, okay. Here is the second pattern. It's called the staircase, and it is just as easy. And it requires only 2 movements. All you have to do is turn up, turn down. Turn to green, turn up, turn down. Turn to red, turn up, turn down. Green, up, down. Up, down. Up, down. And you just keep doing it repetitively, and you should get staircases like this. See? Looks like staircases. And you do the exact same thing to get it back. Alright, the next pattern is really simple, and but you can mess this one up a little easier because there are a little bit more steps. So basically what you do, you up, down, turn twice, up, down, right? So you have an H, you have a line, you have another line. Turn up, turn twice, turn down, and you have an H, and you have an H. And it's the double H. How do you get it back? Do the exact same thing. And that's how you get that back. Okay. The next pattern is the 6-dot pattern. And how to do this is red side facing you, white on the top. You turn face once. You turn the back once, so it should be like that. Alright. Oh, hang on. Never mind. Did it wrong. Not just kidding. Do that, and you do that, and you do that, and you do that. And 6 dots. How to get it back? You match that up. See, that's white. And then match that up. See, there's this line. See, so you turn this, and you just match it all up. So, the next pattern I'm going to show you is a combination of 2 of the last patterns that I just showed you. And you do the 6 dots. So, like that. Alright. And you do checkerboard. And I like to call this one the fire flower, because it looks like a fire flower. See? And this one's really not that hard to do. And how to get this back is basically you just do checkerboard, and then you do 6 dots backwards, like you do checkerboard backwards, and then 6 dots backwards. Okay, so I'm going to keep this like this because the next pattern I'm going to show you requires to keep it in this state, get to this state. So you're at this state, and you have red, you have blue, or no, green. I'm colorblind today. And you have white at the top. So you do staircases, And you should end up with this really cool pattern where the little staircase is a different color from the other colors, and then you have 2 fire flowers. And it's really cool. And how to get this back, you do the exact same thing. And it is kind of hard, it gets confusing because the colors are really mixed up. But really, if you have the patterns memorized, it shouldn't be that hard. Alright. So, yeah. That's all the patterns I know as of now that I can teach you guys. And I will have individual episodes or videos of like individual patterns, but right now I'm just doing the combined video to get all those patterns out there, so you guys can try them on your Rubik's Cube. Please like my video if you like it, and just completely annihilate that like button, and yeah, subscribe, dude.